So we stopped at this little rest spot, and Kurt said, man, dude, you're hitting some of those corners. That thing looks like it's going to lose control. And I said, you know what'd be cool is if we put a camera facing backwards, because a lot of people through the country as I was riding with this thing said, man, how does it handle? Can you feel it back there? How does it work in the corners? And a lot of people were not with it, you know? They couldn't imagine how you could ride a windy road with a compact camp connected to the bike and it wouldn't create a handling problem. But I bought this Heim hitch and it allows the bike to lean and the camper doesn't lean. So the camper stays true. It doesn't lean with the bike. I mean, what's the worst that could happen right here? Somebody rob us? They're going to get shot. Because I got guns. And that would be a bad idea. It would be very bad to try to do something like that. So what would happen is the police would come and say, hey, you can't do this.